What is up, guys? This is another video for the C10. This is the new motor I picked up for it. Well, actually, Casey sold it to me for a good price, so thought I'd share it with y'all. It's a 6.0. It's a LQ9, so it has the Gen 4 rods and then flat top pistons, and it's supposed to come with 243 heads, but he sold the heads separately off this motor. But what I plan on doing is throwing these 799s on there. I'm gonna get them cleaned up, possibly ported. We'll see what happens. But I'm saying 799s because they flow as good as the 243s, and then plus it's gonna be a turbo motor, so I don't really need that high compression if I'm planning on running pump gas at all. I'll probably end up running the 85, but who knows? I mean, we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna take this thing apart and I'll show y'all some stuff, but I'm not really gonna time lapse this or anything because I've done this before on the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take it apart. Just got all the rods and pistons out. Got them all right here, numbered. So yeah, now I'm gonna take the crank out. Okay, so I got a little ahead of myself here. Crank's out. All the bearings organized over there. Now I'm pulling all the lifters out so I can pull the cam out and then start hitting this thing with a little hone. So now, put this cam down. Okay, put this cam down. Throw these lifter trays with the cam. Okay, so now, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and hone this thing. Alright guys, just bagged the motor up. I don't want any rust or any dust or anything like that to get on that fresh hone. But I'm gonna clean the pistons off a bit and then throw it all back in there. I'll ask the machine shop about this rod because I nicked it up quite a bit. Those are nicks right there. Right there, and then right there, and then right there, right there. But that's the only spot, so I'm gonna ask him about it, see what he says. I might just run it, I don't know. But this is the carb right here that's going on the 305. It's a Holley 650. You can see it's a Holley. I really don't know much about these carbs, but I do know that I have to get 2 adapters for the side of it so I can attach the throttle linkage and the detent cable. So I'm probably gonna buy those tomorrow when I go to Summit, and then I'll pick up a battery or something from the junkyard hopefully, and then get the tires. There's a flat tire on the C10 right now, so I know where another spare tire is for it, so I'll probably just pull a wheel, throw a spare on it, and then mount it and try to get it started, try to drive it for y'all. Now hopefully that'll be next video. That should be in a couple days. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow the Instagram at Jackstand Builds. I'll see you guys later.